What kind of water should I use in my Laurastar? If you have good water quality, regular tap water is ideal for any Laurastar systems and generators. If your water has a lot of minerals, is from a well, hard water, or water softener, then store-bought bottled spring water is recommended. What if I have reverse osmosis water? You can use reverse osmosis water. In this case, we recommend to not use the anti-scale filters to filter the water. What kind of water should I not use in my Laurastar? Distilled water, rainwater, demineralized water, scented water, water from clothes dryer machines, and water from household dehumidifiers are not recommended. What minerals are filtered out of the water? The primary minerals filtered out of the water are calcium, magnesium, sodium, chlorine, nitrates, phosphates, potassium, carbonates, sulfates, silicates, zinc, and iron, among others. How will I know when to replace my Laurastar Lift filter cartridge? The filter light will signal it's time to replace the filter cartridge. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds when a new filter is in place. How will I know when to replace my Laurastar Smart Filter cartridge? The granules turn from a bluish black to a brownish color, indicating it's time to replace the cartridge. How often should you drain and flush the boiler on a Laurastar? With or without a filtering system, and with any water being used, the boilers must be drained at least once a month to prevent mineral buildup.